Hi guys, today I'm going to review the British Empire Super Strong Premium Beer. This is available in Andhra Pradesh. Since the government has changed, it's got very much commonly available beer in AP. Only few beers are available in AP. In those, this is one of the most commonly available beer in AP. And also, Bira's Boom K10,000. Only 4 or 5 beers are available in AP, and most of the reputed brands like Carlsberg, Budweiser, every company, reputed company beers are not available. The because I don't know, and the price of this is 200, as they mentioned here is 140, but they are selling for the price of 200 in wine shops. The government has raised their prices, raised their taxes on beers and premium whiskies and rums, brandies in those also. And let's check it out how it's taste. This is the first time I am trying the British Empire. I never tried non-reputed company beers. Most of the beers I tried are Kingfisher, Carlsberg, Budweiser, Bira Strong. Um, Latestly, one that was very famous, Beck's Ice. Sorry, I forgot that name because many of the companies are not at all available. That's why I used to forget the names of the beers also. Let's stop the buck and let's pour into the glass and see the color, taste, and crispiness. And also we'll check out the ingredients that are used in it. Yeah, focus, buddy. Sugar is sugar is there in the beer. Means it's not that much premium, as it mentioned that it is premium beer, but not so much premium. Barley, water, rice, sugar, artificial coloring. Okay, let's pour into the glass. I have poured into the glass and we can see the color. It's a dark golden color and the carbonation is running up like a race. Means the carbonation is very high in this beer. The fourth that is not that much great, as it completely disappeared in few seconds only. Means it's not at all premium. Let's smell it and see the smell. Oh, it's have very strong smell. Other person easily can identify you have drunk a beer. 2 beers can make you smell like you have dunked into the beer and came out. And let's find the taste. Taste is very bitter and very weird taste. It's like how can I say, very raw taste, like not matured beer. I didn't like this beer. Only few beers are available in AP. In those, Bira Boom is definitely great taste beer compared to others. This is really ugly taste. I really not expected this taste, but as I spent 200 rupees, I have to finish it. And guys, if you find this beer out of Andhra Pradesh, please avoid this British Empire beer. And the taste is really bad. If you like this beer taste, please comment in the comment section. If you agree with my words, hit one like and comment. If you don't like my reviews also, please say into the comments. As I'm trying, I'm not am hi sorry I'm not that much mature in making videos. I'm just learning. And this is not my hobby, just for time pass. So if I did anything mistake or something lack of communication that I have in speaking, please don't mind it all. Don't mind at all. Okay, I will just have the beer. I have to finish it. Okay, bye guys.